Hi, this is Kim Watson. Welcome to a morning review on Monday, the 27th of October. It's looking at the pound dollar first. Actually, before I get too much into the technical analysis, just a reminder: the clocks will move forward in Europe, but did not in. Sorry, I moved backwards in Europe, but did not in the US. So there's only a 4-hour difference sitting there at the moment, which to bear in mind for the rest of this week. Okay, looking at the pound anyway. So what we got here. On the short time frame here, we got this 3-bar little pattern here, little pivot swing sitting in there, which could see us moving up further. We've hit the 34 before. We've got the 50 above us, and the monthly pivot is not far above that. So we've got sort of 3 targets to the upside if it does manage to catch on to any gains. I do though have a bit of short side or a short side target potential if we can break this. I've drawn it on a trend line at the moment really, but if we can break the lows of this current candle, we could be well on for the daily pivot, which is below us at around about 160.66, so just above 167. So looking for that to be hit potentially this morning. But the trend is started putting higher highs, higher lows in. There is a bit of a trend coming through here, so there is the potential of it, as I say, moving up at least towards those prior highs of the 21st there. Right, that's the pound dollar. No significant news coming out today on the pound, so we are purely technical trading from that perspective. Then looking at the euro dollar. Let's come out and look at the bigger picture first. Again, well, actually not a pivot swing, but similar price action, but never quite managed to close above the previous day's highs there, so not so solid here. Still running in these trends that I've drawn on here at the moment, so we're sort of caught in this bigger picture. It's still a bit of a wedge in a downward trend. It's from the dailies, it's not really that overly convincing in terms of where it's going next. Shorter time frames, we are seeing some higher lows put in, or a higher low put in, a couple of higher lows put in really, but it's again still not looking brilliant. Again, we've got the daily pivot below us, and it's got a reasonable chance of being hit. Once hit, well, we've got the 50 with just around about with it as well at 126.67. So if it can bounce from that sort of level with the 50, well, we could be pushing back up probably to today's highs. We've already run through its R1 there, so it's suggesting it could be on the more bullish side and stay more positive. But we'll have to see how the day spans out. But for now, short-term target really is some more downside, and then maybe a bounce from there. Okay, that's it for me. There is some news this morning at 9 o'clock with the euro. We've got the German business climate. This does give a little bit of volatility, but little is the key word there. We don't see significant moves from this, but we may see a bit of volatility around 9 o'clock. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.